it's Rick with WTI. I was desperately looking for some comfy bras to wear around the house or out because with my son, I don't really feel like wearing a uncomfortable bra while I'm chasing him around. I'm also pregnant, so I was looking for something that could accommodate my growing belly and not dig in. These 3-pack of sports bras by Lemef have been perfect. I got the size extra large and I got the colors purple, blue, and pink. I love the wide straps. They are so comfortable and super stretchy, so it doesn't dig in at all. I don't have red marks at the end of the day. I also love the band at the bottom, doesn't dig in, which is great because I do not like anything pushing on my belly at all. It's so uncomfortable. But this is super stretchy, but also supportive, so I really love that. Whether you're just looking for a comfy bra or you need something for your pregnancy to accommodate your growing belly, I highly recommend these ones. They are so comfortable and very easy to take care of. And that's my point of view.